I just applied the anti-dandruff treatment, and I'm going to leave for about 10 to 15 minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to try a new hair product. I want to try this Mega Growth anti-dandruff hair product. So I've used Mega Growth product before. I've used their shampoo and conditioner, but this is the first time I'll be trying the anti-dandruff hair product. So this is what it looks like. And inside we have the shampoo. We have what is this? We have the anti-dandruff treatment. This is what it looks like. And we also have this is the last one. We also have anti-dandruff spray. So I'm going to be trying the product and I'll be giving my honest review. So we have 3 steps. I don't know how to use it. So I'm going to use the shampoo first. And to wash my hair. I think I have to wash my hair first. And then I will use the anti-dandruff treatment. That's says dandruff free therapy. The dandruff free therapy. And then so after this one, then I will use this one. That's the anti-dandruff spray. Honestly, I'm not the type. I don't have dandruff on my head. So I'm going to be using the product for other things, to moisturize my hair, scalp, and also for growth. So let's see if it works for growth and for moisturizing. That's all. So I'm all set, so it's time to go and wash. It's time to wash my hair. It's washing time. So I like to use lukewarm water to wash my hair. I don't know if it's just me. I like to make lukewarm water. I use this warm, not really hot, just a little bit warm to wash my hair. So I'm set to wash my hair. Apply the anti-dandruff treatment, and I'm going to leave for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it can penetrate well before rinsing with warm water. So I'm going to rinse it with warm water.